Hey, it's B. Your parents or teachers have probably showed you what an apple looks like this, or like this. But today we're going to be exploring a real apple. Let's use all my senses to see what it's like. I feel it, round and smooth. I see it. It is yellow and a tiny bit of brown. It kind of has a smell. This apple is yellow, but there are also red apples and green apples. Hey guys, let's look inside. Whoa, it looks like a star. Let me try some. It tastes really good. It's sweet and sour. Let me smell it now. It still doesn't really smell, but it smells a little bit more now. Thanks for trying apples with me. There are 2,500 different kinds of apples grown in America. Hopefully you can find some you like.